we're in the shop now. We got the car, we're getting it ready to prepare it for tinting all the windows. This just gave us a good opportunity to like talk about what's the difference between a 5 window, 7, a 9, and 11. Because on our website, we do talk about that a lot depending on like the pricing for your car. And what determines that is this. So let's just take a standard sedan, for example. This is a sedan, as you can see, it's 4 doors. Most 4-door cars are gonna have 4 glasses that go up and down. You're gonna have the quarter windows, which are usually small. On the BMWs, they're massive. They're really, really big windows. BMWs, Infinitis, Maximas typically have this kind of a size of a window. So with us, the Honda Civics, there's the Honda Civics, there's the Honda Insight. Those windows are really, really tiny. So when I cut this window, I usually have enough film that I can take off this and do that tiny window, making it, to me, a 5-window car. Now, most places price the cars by sedan, coupe, so they don't care if it's small, not small, whatever. So with us, you might save $20, sometimes $40 on your car with us versus the competition, only depending on the size of the window. With this car, it's a 7-window because the film that I'm gonna use on this isn't big enough to do this plus this window. It requires us to cut a separate piece of film for both those ones. So that's why it would be considered a 7-window. 9-window vehicles usually have windows just like this. And in front of the mirror, they're gonna have another small window, which is gonna make it your 9th because it's 4 on each side plus the rear, making it 9. That's usually what determines the pricing. 11-window vehicles are like the Subaru Impreza, the 2019. It has a quarter window, another quarter window, the door, another door, and a mini window on the front. 5 on each side, making it 10, plus the rear, 11. So that's just the factors that determine the pricing with us. So right now, I'm gonna do a trick called double cutting. Basically, it's the process of putting 2 pieces of film on each other, one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side, and that allows you to cut once, but get 2 windows ready so you can install them both right after. It's a trick that, you gotta learn it as you go. You just gotta be careful because if you do mess up, remember you're messing up twice and you're wasting double the material if you don't get it right, okay? So watch the process.
Yeah.
just finished tinting the 2013 535 Xi, I believe it is. So this is the end results. So if you come by, if you come a little closer, you can see that down the pillars, there are no light gaps. Down that area, same thing.